Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure both devices are ready. Charge them, connect to a stable Wi-Fi, and sign into your account on each phone. Once signed in, choose a transfer method: cable for speed, Wi-Fi direct for convenience, or cloud if you already have a backup. Start the transfer app or restore from cloud now. This initiates file copying and app metadata migration, so your settings and messages start moving immediately. Now execute the transfer method you selected. If using a cable, connect both phones and accept prompts to allow data copy. Cable is fastest for large photo and app libraries. If restoring from cloud, trigger the restore and watch progress percentages while keeping Wi-Fi stable. Make sure two-factor and authentication apps are handled. Either transfer them directly or note recovery codes, because losing access can lock accounts. Once core data moves, the system will queue app downloads and media automatically. Finish by checking that contacts, photos, messages, and app settings are present on the new phone. Open key apps and sign in where required. Reauthorize payment, banking, and authentication apps. Then when you're satisfied, factory reset the old device to clear personal data. If something didn't copy, stop and troubleshoot. Make sure cloud sync was complete, try the transfer again, or use the carrier or manufacturer migration tool. If needed, restore specific files from your backup rather than repeating the whole process.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.